If a person laughs too much, even at the stupid things, he is lonely deep inside. If a person sleeps a lot, he is sad. If a person speaks less but speaks fast, he keeps secrets. If someone can't cry, he is weak. If someone eats in an abnormal manner, he is tense. If someone cries on little things, he is innocent and soft-hearted. If someone becomes angry over silly or petty things, it means he needs love. Try to understand people more. To avoid workplace drama and be liked, compliment people behind their back. Saying you are right instead of I know makes you look less like a jerk and doesn't diminish something someone else may have just found out. Instead of asking, do you have any questions? Ask, what questions do you have? The first almost always results in silence, while the second helps people feel comfortable asking questions. When you have something important to say to the kids, say it very quietly so that they listen. They are immune to your yelling, but whispering gets their attention. When somebody shy is speaking, if you look at them and nod your head, it encourages them to keep talking. Say hello to everybody you know and say it with a smile. So little effort for a person to find you friendly.